Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel Vlog World. Today we will learn plants and its types. So what are plants? I hope everyone has seen different kind of plants around them. So so what are plants? We see lot of plants around us. There are different types, shapes and kinds of plants in our surroundings. Some of them are small and some of them are very big in size. Plants are living things. It means plants also breathe like other living things. So these plants also grow. Plants are usually green in color. That is why it is recommended to see plants in the early morning as our eyes gets refreshed after seeing the green color. Plants grow everywhere. Some grow on land, some grow in water, some in hilly areas and some in desert areas as well. So different plants grow in different climates. Some plants grow in cold climate, some need excessive heat, some need shade for their growth. So every plant grow in its different climatic conditions. We can identify different plants by their fruits, leaves, flowers and trunk, as every plant has different leaves, fruits, flowers and trunk. Roots of plants always grow underground the soil. We obtain most of our food and food items from plants. Plants gives us medicines also. Plants need water, air, sunlight and soil to grow. So what are the main necessities of plants? It is water, air, sunlight and soil. Hope you understand what are plants. So let's see what are different types of plants. First one is trees. Then is herbs. Third type is shrubs. Fourth type is climbers. Fifth type is creepers. So there are five types of plants: trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. So what are trees? Let's understand one by one. Trees are very big plants and are very strong. I hope everyone has seen trees around them. They live for many years and are the largest and the oldest living thing on earth. Means trees are the oldest creature, oldest living thing of earth. They have many branches, right? They have hard and woody stem that is called trunk. So hope you understand what are trees. Trees are the biggest plants, okay? And they are the most oldest living thing on earth. Examples of trees are, see, first one is mango tree. See how huge it is. It has so many branches, so many leaves, and it has so hard wood. Other example is banyan tree. See again, it is so huge, right? So these are examples of trees. Next comes herbs. So what are herbs? Herbs are short-sized plant with soft, green and weak stem. Their stem can be bended easily. The lifespan of herbs is short. Dried herbs are used to add flavor to food and is used in medicines as well. So the smallest plant type is called herbs. They are very soft. They are mostly green in color. They have a very weak stem. They can be bended easily. So such type of plants, very short plants, short sized plants actually, are called herbs. For example, coriander plant, we usually call them dhania. So it is a very small plant. See, it has a green stem, it can be bended easily. So small sized plant. So this is a herb. Coriander plant is a herb. Other example is grass. See, grass is also very small plant. It is also a herb. Next is shrubs. Third type of plant is shrubs. So what are shrubs? Shrubs are medium-sized woody plants which are taller than herbs but shorter than trees. They have hard, bushy and woody stems with many branches. They have thin branches and they grow close to the ground. So the plants which are medium in size, that are smaller than trees but larger than herbs, those type of plants are called shrubs. They are usually bushy in nature and they have very thin branches as compared to trees. Trees have little thick branches, but shrubs have thin branches. So let's see the examples of shrubs. What is this? This is a rose plant and it is a shrub. See how bushy it is. It has many branches, but it has very thin stem, right? And it is very close to ground also. It is not that tall. Next example is jasmine plant. Again, jasmine plant is also a bushy plant. It also has many branches, has weak stem, thin stem actually. So these type of plants are called shrubs. Next type is climbers. What are climbers? Climbers have a very thin, long and weak stem. They cannot stand straight. They need support to grow straight. They can climb onto nearby objects to grow vertically and carry their weight. So what are climbers actually? The climbers, as the name suggests, they climb on something. The type of plants which climb on something are called climbers. They need any support for them to grow. They cannot stand properly. They need support always because they have very thin, have long and weak stems. So what are examples of climbers? Money plant. See how it looks like. It has a very weak and long stem, but it needs support to stand straight. So here wall is the support for it, right? Next is grapevine. So here grapevine is also a climber. Here they have used fence as a supporting system. So any plant which climbs on any other object for its growth is called a climber, right? So last type is creepers. What are creepers? Creepers have very thin, long and weak stem. They grow along the ground by extending its branches. Their stems cannot stand upright and they spread on the ground. See, here is a pumpkin plant. It has so many branches. It has a weak stem. It is also very long, but it cannot stand upright because it carries a very heavy fruit or vegetable along with it. See, other example is watermelon plant. It is also a plant which is spreaded over the ground. It also has a weak stem as you can see. It also has many branches and all because it has a very heavy fruit, so it is always spreaded along the ground. So such kind of plants are called creepers which cannot climb which cannot stand straight, but they spread over the ground. So what we have learned so far are types of plants. First is trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, and creepers. Someone has said trees are poems that the earth write upon the sky, and it is said by Khalil Gibran. Thank you. Hope you have learned what are plants and its types. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Vlog World. See you in the next video. Bye bye.